all took place right over here. There's a lot of people. Here we go. Yep. Yeah, I was just going to see if I can get a couple of complaint forms.
Sure.
Okay. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I love the weather.
Oh, yeah.
Wish I was in it.
Oh, yeah. It's definitely windy.
Yes, it is.
What's your name?
Lisa?
Lisa? Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
I don't like to give my name too much.
Actually, this tells you how to get them online, get to them online,
Okay.
and then you can fill this out too.
All right. Awesome.
You want just two?
Yes, just two. Yeah, because I always end up messing up on one, so I always need that second one to come across. But I've got a copy or two though, so I don't want to. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yep. I'm not very good at writing, so. Restroom is back here. Public lobby. So far, so good, people. Completely different personalities this time coming in compared to the last time. Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Carla, can I help you?
Oh, I'm just taking a look around. Thank you. Yes, where it all took place outside. All right, thank you again. Appreciate it. You as well. Employees only.
How you doing, sir? You need some help?
No, I'm just taking a look around right now. Appreciate it, man. What's your name and badge number?
Major Stacy Fortenberry, badge number 1555.
Nice to meet you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, way better this time. It's the way it should have been the first time we come in here, people. Definitely, definitely. The way it should be. Yep, this is the way it should have been the first time we came here, people. Instead of getting some of the violent, unlawful orders that we received before. Yeah, way better, people.
Really nice people in there.
Yeah, definitely. How you doing? How you doing? Good. Awesome. Awesome. Enjoying the weather outside for sure. Right. What do y'all do in this office over here?
Register a voter's office. We register people to vote, and then we conduct early voting.
Okay,
for,
awesome, awesome.
elections.
Okay. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Jerry.
Jerry. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay, what's your name, ma'am?
Christy.
Christy. It's nice to meet y'all. Thank y'all. So they do the register for voting inside this office over here. Domestic violence office. Yep, way better than what we got the first time we come here, people. We couldn't even come in these buildings. They had locked us out. If we needed any assistance, they definitely stopped us from doing it the first time. Apparently, they all got an education. And that's what we want to see. We try to make change. And that's what we're here to do. We got to stand up for our rights, people. It took me a little bit longer to get back over here, but I wanted everything to settle down, let people get educated, and that's the purpose for a revisit, for sure. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Hello.
See, that's the way it should be. More courteous, saying hello and not approaching you and trying to run you off. And of course, they still want to shut the door, but that's fine. That's what they're supposed to do, is create their own privacy. It's a juvenile unit.
She's not behaving.
Are you Gimbal?
Yeah. I'm gonna go in here and use that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, way better this time than the previous time. It's Homeland Security right over here. Of course, those offices are completely locked. They got the key code panels on the door, so you can't just walk up in there. But yeah, they definitely got an education. And I appreciate everybody for viewing. Hit that thumbs up. Making a change in this world. We don't ever plan on stopping. But thank all y'all for being here. We'll see y'all on the next one.